Erica Swallow. Welcome to my class, Startup PR, Getting Press on a Tight Budget. In this course, you'll learn how to interact with journalists, understand the lingo of the journalism world, and compose engaging pitches that will be getting you press in no time. What exactly is startup PR? Well, there are some hard parts to it. You're coming into the stage without a reputation potentially. Maybe you just launched a day ago. You may have no budget, or maybe you have a little budget if you're lucky. And you probably don't have a lot of time. You're probably working on funding and scaling and user acquisition, but who has time for PR? On the positive though, there are a ton of things working in your favor. The good news is you have newness, you have passion, and this may sound like a negative, but having no PR experience is actually also a pro. Journalists are always looking for the newest, latest technology or service out there, and that's what you're here to offer. A little bit about me too before we get started. I started my career in marketing at NYU Stern Undergraduate Business School. I have a bachelor's in international business and marketing. I then moved on to the New York Times, where I managed their social media strategy, and then started reporting on startups and social media at Mashable as an editor. And now I'm currently working at a startup myself called Contently, where I'm the director of community, managing the community both online and offline. On the journalism side, I've been published a little bit of everywhere. I currently manage a blog on Forbes called The Business of Startups, and beyond my previous work at Mashable, I've been published on CNN, USA Today, Entrepreneur, and Business Insider, to name a few. I'm really excited to share my knowledge from both the business side and the journalism side with you today. Hopefully you'll be getting coverage all over the place right after you get done with the course. If you have any questions throughout the course, please do tweet me at Erica Swallow.